Pythagorean Theorem. A right-angled triangle is a triangle which has a right angle as one of its angles. The side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse and is the longest side of the triangle. The other two sides are called the legs of the triangle. If A and B are the length of the legs of a right triangle, and C is the length of the hypotenuse, then the sum of the squares of the length of the legs is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. This is the Pythagorean theorem, and it's one of the best known mathematical formulas. Pythagorean theorem provides us with the relationship between the sides in a right triangle. This relationship is represented by this formula. Let's see how it works. Solve the following triangles. The term solving the triangle means find the unknown side. Take the Pythagorean theorem, change the values of the legs, find the square root of both sides. Reject minus 5 as length must be positive. Take the Pythagoras theorem. We can rearrange the formula for Pythagoras theorem in order to make x the subject of the formula. Find the square root of both sides, and we reject minus 12, as length must be positive. Right-angled triangles occur in many practical problems. In these situations, we can apply Pythagoras' theorem to help find unknown side lengths. Consider the diagonal of 6 cm by 9 cm rectangle. Find the diagonal's length. Let D be the diagonal of the rectangle. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. An isosceles triangle has equal sides of length 8 cm and a base of length 6 cm. Find the area of the triangle. The height bisects the base at right angles and divides the base into equal parts. Apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the height. Now let's find the area of the triangle. A rhombus has diagonals of length 6 cm and 8 cm. Find the length of its sides and its area. Pay attention to this problem.